This is the best IQ option trading strategy. And to prove that, I'm going to turn this $10 into $1,000 in less than 13 minutes. So, as you can see, my latest trades were profitable. I made, for example, here, I made, $83. So it was profitable. But here, I'm trying to turn this $10 into $1,000 and quick withdraw everything and quick. So first, I believe that we will have a down position. So we are going to short. It's going to go down. So for my students, of course, those who have access to my trading course, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There's some updates to the way I use the strategy. Due to the changes happening to different markets, we had to update the strategy, but now it's perfect and it's up to date. Those who are interested in learning our strategy can do that by taking our course. The course is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. Great, the first win. So $18. Let's so this one, oh, so see, this one was challenging. But you know what? Let's put everything again, $18, and let's go down again. I believe that we will see a downtrend coming. There is some kind of downtrend taking place here, and we must take profit from it. So let's just keep going down, and expecting the downtrend to happen soon. So as I was saying, guys, you can learn this strategy from the course in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com, binarystrategycourse.com. Otherwise, you don't have to buy the course. That's okay, but the course will never be for free. For those who are asking asking for a free access to our course, I'm sorry, but there will be no free access to our course. All right. I guess next, let me just see. I believe that we will see an uptrend, but it's not a big trend. Just, an uptrend. So I believe that we are seeing an uptrend, but not a big trend, just a candle or two, and then we will start seeing a downtrend coming. I believe that we will see a downtrend. We will wait for the market to reach the upper band from the Bollinger Bands, and then everything will go down. So as you can see, guys, I'm using 4 indicators: Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, RSI, and MACD. Trust me, even I'm using these 4 indicators, and my strategy is based on these 4 indicators. You don't have always to use technical indicators. Let me just take the third win. Beautiful. Yes, the third win. No. We won't see the downtrend taking place yet. I believe we will see another uptrend. We will open another higher position. I believe we will see another higher position taking place. So let's put everything, or we'll leave $1 or $2 there. $58. Let's go up. All right. So as I was saying, you don't have to use indicators all the time. All right. There's plenty of other trading methods without using technical indicators or technical analysis. So it's possible to trade assets or binary options or even cryptos without relying on technical indicators, just by employing various alternative approaches. I hope this makes sense. These type of methods often involves strategies based on like fundamental analysis, price actions, market sentiments, sometimes even quantitative analysis. Another type of analysis, quantitative analysis. But the most famous one is fundamental analysis. I don't use it often, but you can use it if you don't have, for example, you don't have enough money to purchase a good strategy, or you don't have time to develop your own trading strategy using different technical indicators. you can use fundamental analysis uh, to base your trades on. For, yeah, it's reliable. Fundamental analysis is really reliable. I used it for years. Focuses on intrinsic uh, intrinsic value of an asset. Yeah, I guess next. So we will start now. We will just give me a second here. I believe now we will start seeing a downtrend. I will just wait for it. I will not open it along. Yeah, there's a possibility opening to open a long position here, but I will just wait. I believe, I believe that we will start. So I will with $100. Let's go down. So it will start now. $100. I believe that we will see a downtrend next. Hope my prediction is right. So as I was saying, guys, fundamental analysis focuses on the intrinsic value of an asset by examining like economic factors. Uh, you just go to a company, see their performance, look at the global news, instead of chart panels and different indicators, technical indicators. You would just use this type of events and fundamental trades, because it relies on data such as earnings reports, economic data, and news events to make your trading decisions. So your trading decisions will be based on stuff like that, instead of using technical analysis and chart panel stuff like that. You can use it for forex. I was for years I was trading forex. Um, and I used fundamental analysis when I was using or trading forex. Um, you will look for companies' financial health, like earnings, profit, and expenses ratio. Another win, yeah. Well, I don't know. Let's just go down. The strategies tell me that there is a downtrend coming. Trust that. Let's go down. Let's keep going down. $100. Let's keep going down. So as I was saying, when trading stocks using fundamental analysis, you also based on depth levels and market positions. So, for example, a trader may buy a stock because the company releases a strong earning report, and or a product is expected to generate significant revenues. I made a lot of trades based on companies saying that they are releasing a new product that is going to gain significant revenues. Also, I used fundamental analysis to trade forex. Yeah, even with the green candle, I made a win. So when I tell you to trust your strategy, please trust me and trust your strategy. Develop a good one and base your trades on it. Another downtrend. As you can see, I opened with $200 because I believe that my prediction is right, or the strategy's prediction is right. So as I was saying, using fundamental analysis with forex, sometimes you look at macroeconomics data like GDP growth, interest rates, inflations, and employment numbers to gauge the strength of a currency, and you will see that happening in front of your eyes. This will So once you start following this stuff, you will see the market changing based on this different news and different data. For example, a central bank signals an interest rate hike. Uh, Traders or you may buy that currency because high interest rates typically, of course, you know that it will strengthen a currency. Let's open another downtrend. Let me just keep talking. Sorry, I talk a lot, but yeah, I believe that this will help a lot. So, when using fundamental analysis instead of technical analysis, expect that this will allows for long-term trades based on solid data instead of just using technical indicators that are lagging. So you have solid data. data that everybody knows, that it's on news, on TV. So you make long-term trades based on that, and this is somehow yeah, trustworthy. Also, it can provide you a deeper understanding of market dynamics. So the downtrend is started, yeah, it's just started, and I made the last four trades were a downtrend or allow positions, and I won all of them. That's why I told you that there will be a downtrend. This one I don't know. Hopefully, because now we are at the middle, we don't know exactly the direction, but I believe that it's going down using the other MACD and RSI, the other indicators. So, as I was saying, with fundamental analysis, you will have deeper understanding of market dynamics instead of, for example, in this case, I don't know why the market's taking a downtrend because I don't know the fundamental of the market, but there's something happening outside of technical indicators and outside of the platform, which will help me understand what's really happening. That's why fundamental analysis is something good to know, even if you are not using it. So let's open. I guess this is the last trade. Yeah. The last trade. The market will reach the lower band, and I will stop here. I hope that you enjoyed, guys, and learned something. I believe that yeah. So I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Be careful, you may lose your money trading binary options. I'm not guaranteeing you that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So please be careful when trading binary options with your money. Please start with demo account, develop your own strategy, and with time you will be experienced enough to trade with real money and risk your own real money. And be careful, it's risky. I guess this is the last. Should we open another trade? No, I guess that this is it. The last trade. Yes. So see, this one is not clear somehow. Previously was clear. This one a little bit risky, but I took it. Yeah, this one is also. Oh, this one was beautiful. This one was easy, beautiful, simple, straight to the point. This one also beautiful, but lately, the latest. Yeah, also this one. Oh, this one was beautiful, but the last. All right. So I hope that you enjoyed. See you later, guys.